Alright, fifth graders, let's take a look here at the end of year project. There's also some things posted digitally. I will show you what that looks like as well. But here we have these fortune tellers. What we're going to do is we're going to use these to learn about how to find the area of different shapes. Okay, I want to go through your cover sheet here. Starting on June 1st, that's today, please work your way through the attached packet. I will be posting the following on Google Classroom about every other day. A YouTube tutorial that will guide you through the project, that is this. Digital versions of the packet so you can get feedback in real time. I will show you what that looks like. And also discussion questions. So those will be posted with this YouTube video and they will be part of your day-to-day grade. The whole project is worth 500 points. It is a very big project. As long as you watch the videos, attend the Zoom calls, and turn in your best work, you will get a grade that you are proud of. Finish the year strong. A completed project will include the following. Completed surveys on Google Classroom. Again, one will be posted with this YouTube video, and a completed packet either on paper or digitally. So either way works. We will also be hosting, we means Ms. LaRue and Mr. Garral will host Zoom sessions to answer your questions and discuss the projects on the following days and times. There is one today, June 1st, which is Monday from 2:30 to 3. On June 5th, that's this Friday, from 11 to 12. You can just pop in and out if you have questions. And then also next Monday from 2:30 to 3 on June 8th. If you need any extra help, you can schedule a phone or Zoom call by sending Mr. Garral a message on Jupyter or Google Classroom. So let's keep going. So what are fortune tellers? Let's take a look here. Fortune tellers are an origami shape made by folding a piece of paper. Some people write messages on them inside the folds to open and show the fortune. You pick a number, pick a color. I think a lot of you have seen fortune tellers before. They're a lot of fun. So we're going to also just talk about unit squares. This square has an area of 1. So this is 1 square unit. Okay, if we take a look at this, we're not going to use inches or anything. We're like, this is just a bunch of square units. Okay, this grid. Alright, so this is 1 square unit, so that's going to be our unit of measurement. Okay, so what is the area of each of these shapes? How do you know? So this one, we would just count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our area here would be 6 square units. Okay, what about this one? That one's weird. How many square units is that? Well, it's 1/2, because this is half of that unit. If I draw a line here, shade it in, it's half of a square unit. So this would be 1/2 square units. Okay? So I'm going to move on. What if I did this? See that? So I drew that there, drew that there. How many units would that be? So the easy part would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'd be 4 square units. Here's a half, here's a half. So 4.5, 5. This would be 5 square units. Okay? It's weird because I have these 2 halves on the end, but 2 halves make a whole. Alright? Now, to make a fortune teller, you're going to need to get a piece of just plain paper. Okay? I'll show you a little trick here. I want you to start with a square piece of paper, but this is a rectangle, right? This is a rectangle. So what I want to do is I want to fold it down like this. Okay? So I have that there. Fold it down, and then I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to cut this bottom part off right here. Now, when I open this up, okay, this is a square. Equal on all 4 sides, right? Okay. So it says, put your square on the table with the white side up and grid side down. Okay. You're going to use, sorry about that. you're actually going to use this piece of paper here. Okay? This piece of paper. What do you notice about the new shape? So again, I'm going to cut this. Okay, cutting the grid out. Okay, and again, I'm going to fold it like this. Just cut off the bottom 3 rows there because that's part of the rectangle. So now it says put the white side up and the grid side down. Okay, so white side up, grid side down. Okay, we're going to fold the opposite corners together, just like that. Okay, so what do we notice about this new shape? What are some things we can think about? So, one, you could say the new shape is a, what do you think? It's a triangle, right? Okay, so we're just going to look at it like this. It's a triangle. What else do we notice about it? Okay, it has square units that are whole, but also square units that are half. Okay, so if you look here, like all of these are half units. Okay, so those are all half units and these ones are all full. So what is the area of the shape? We can just count the square units. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's 28 whole units. And then 29. See how I'm doing that? I'm adding the 2 halves together. 29, 30, 31. See that? 31. 32. Okay, so my answer there is 32 square units. And how did I find the area? I counted the grid squares. Okay, if I flip this over, this would also have the square units of 32. Okay, it would be 32 square units because it's the same shape, right? It's just the other side of it. All right. We're going to stop there for today. Try to keep these very small, bite-sized pieces. Tomorrow we will continue with this question. Use the fraction to compare the area of this shape to the area of the original square. Okay. We can already start that conversation, right? But we're going to take our time with this. We're not going to get too far ahead of ourselves, and we are going to work together. All right. Good luck.